Guys, welcome back to the Pirate Pat channel. We've got Pirate Jake and Pirate Rio Pafos with me today, and we've got something really cool today, a little bit different, and we've got the Kinder Joy eggs. Now, they're a little bit different to the normal ones. They come with these special little packages, which are quite cool, aren't they? And inside is some very nice chocolate by Kinder Surprise and a little toy. So, Pirate Rio Pafos, do you want to go first? Let's have a look what you've got in there today. Let's have a look, so you've got something really cool. Do you want me to help you? Whoa. Oh, there we go. So, inside that bit is the chocolate, isn't it, Pirate Rio? We've got some chocolate in there.
I thought it'd all just be together, but they're like separated. That's cool.
And, oh, there's that funny little thing again. I think now you've pulled that off, it might be difficult to get in there. Let's have a look. Can we get in there? Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's it. Do you want to put that on the table?
I got star monsters.
And we'll have a look. There we go. Let's build this up then, Pirate Rio Pafos. Let's put that out of the way over there. What have we got? What have we got in there this time? Let's have a look.
Are they all different, or are they all like the same, like a round thing?
I'm not sure, to be honest. Oh, this one goes in like a little circle thing there, look. Like a little ring. Do you want me to help you, Pirate Rio?
No.
Let's have a look then.
I think whilst he's building that, I'll start opening mine.
You open that up then, Pirate Jake.
Let's try and find...
Where's the other bit on, Pirate Rio? Well, there we go. Let's have a look for you.
Yeah, if I get that...
I think I actually know.
I think, maybe, not really.
Oh, there we go, we're in there.
There.
So we've got the chocolate again there, which is really cool. These are actually quite good for lunch boxes and things like that as well. Or
I
picnics.
think I do what Pirate Rio Pafos said.
That's okay. I think it pulls off there anyway. I think that's just like a separator.
Oh, I already have one of these. They're 5 things.
Oh, and I think that one. I think he stands in there.
I think we're going to have a nice time eating this chocolate, or maybe Parker will eat it before we even get it.
Oh yeah, they're all very similar. Look. Oh, you got a sticker with yours actually, Pirate Jake. And as you can see, they're quite funny little characters, aren't they?
Mine. Right.
Wow.
Oh, it's knocked it.
They're called Crazy Friends. There we go. Let's you open the next one, Pirate Rio Pafos, while we see if we can figure this one out.
Can you open it for me?
Oh, so this one, he actually goes in there, and he rocks like that. Look, so that's quite cool.
This looks like a Pokemon, doesn't it?
Yeah, they're quite good, aren't they? Crazy Friends, they're called. Let's open this one up then, Pirate Rio.
They are pretty crazy.
Oops. Some more chocolate, and there's your
Nose?
So there's one of the Crazy Friends rocking away. Woo-hoo. We had one in our Easter video, and another one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I got another one.
A different colour one this time.
I'll build this.
Wow. So you know how it goes together.
I'm still trying to build mine here. Oh, I think this is like a little shooting thing.
Oh yeah, there's actually 5 different colours of these ones, Pirate Rio, in the wheel that you can see.
And did you equip it like that?
Yeah, do you want me to help you?
Right, now I need trying to touch him.
We had one on the Easter video, and he was like on a little sleigh, and he got an elastic band, and you pulled him back, and he flew across.
There.
Whoa!
And now, I think this one flies as well. Shall I try it now, or...?
Yeah, try it, Pirate Jake.
Which way shall I try it? Let's try it towards the camera.
Try it towards Pirate Coral.
Now she's blocking. You ready? 3. Wait. Oh, alright,
Get the
that's
fire
how
off
it
there.
works.
Put it on the table, I think, Pirate Jake. Look.
Oh, and then flick it. You ready? 3, 2. Oh, I didn't really.
Oh.
I'll try again. I'll try. Right, it's in. You ready?
It's
3,
the head on.
2,
Yeah,
1.
And I'll do this.
Oh!
I don't think.
Epic fail.
I think it's scraping across the table, so it won't work. I don't know. I'll try it up here instead.
Well, that's not too bad.
Shit. Yeah, it's cool. I know.
Wow.
It can
Awesome.
fly.
Do you want to open another one, Pirate Jake, while I let's have a look.
And you put it in.
So we got 3 each, so this video could be, well, not long, but...
Whoa! Yeah, got Pirate Coral.
Have fun.
Oh, so we've got 2 different coloured ones on this, haven't we, Pirate Rio? Wow. They're rocking away.
Oh, I think this one shoots as well.
I might have one of them.
I'll have a look.
Oh, this looks a bit different.
I'll put that over there.
Let me to open that bit for you, Pirate Rio Pafos.
Oh, this
Ooh,
one
this is
has
quite a big one, isn't it?
Whoa, look at that. Can Pirate Cole zoom into that? Zoom. Alright, let's open this up and see.
What if you get another one of these, Pirate Rio? Oh, I can see chocolates.
Oh, it's the exact same. But different colours, I think.
Oh yeah, and a different style, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll just show you the chocolate inside.
Oh,
Pretty
I get
cool.
it. This one, you've got to push it like that. But the other one, you
delicious.
squeeze it. Right, so
Oh,
I
this
get
one's
this.
easy.
Oh, we just put
Quite
that in there.
creepy.
And put it onto...
You just got it for it.
Oh, now, this
Yes.
one. This one, Pirate Rio Pafos, is a colour changing one. So when you put him in water, he changes colours.
Oh, these come
So that's quite cool, isn't it?
Do you get it from
Okay, so you
Wow,
stand.
We had some Hot Wheels cars, they actually changed colours, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he actually
Oh,
changes
she's
colours.
breaking. Well, not breaking.
Wow.
Right, your feet go in there.
Oh, that's quite a big one, isn't it?
Right, I can't push this in. I'll try and put
Wow.
it in.
We'll have to try that in the bath, won't we? To change colours.
How?
It's quite a good idea.
And
Wow.
then this.
How are we doing here,
Oh,
Pirate
it keeps
Rio?
falling. I'll just try and shoot it.
Oh, it goes in between, doesn't it?
Like. Oh, wait. Oh, have I put these on the wrong way? I think I have.
Let's have a look. Whoop, where's Pirate Rio going?
Has Pirate Rio Pafos opened all of his?
He has.
I've got
So,
one
I
there.
think it must go with something.
Shall I open
like
this?
That.
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it, Pirate Jake. Oh yeah, that's
I
quite
think you
cool
get
actually.
seen me.
And then
Where
there's a
does he go? Is he on
sticker.
there?
There's a sticker for that as well.
I know.
Oh,
I
we
didn't
don't
get. Did I
really
get any stickers?
Wait, what was my first one?
Shall I
Oh.
try this one?
I didn't get
Ready?
any stickers.
Whoa!
Whoa!
That's quite cool, isn't it?
That's why there's the spikes.
Yeah, it's like a spinner.
Oh, that's sick.
That's good, isn't it?
That's amazing. Right, I hope we
Wow,
get another
check
cool
these out.
one inside of here.
Wow. I can't wait to try this one in some water to see what colour he changes to. And again, there's quite a few different ones to collect of those.
I wonder what happens if you try that on bumpy ground.
Now, Pirate Coral is actually behind the camera, and very often she's doing things behind the camera and I haven't got a clue what she's trying to tell me.
Oh, eat
But,
food.
yeah, what she's telling us is, that is actually to eat the chocolate.
fair
It is
enough,
like,
you just took them.
it's like a little spoon, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah, so it's like this, look. There you go.
she's eating behind the camera.
Pirate Coral's not very happy now, so I'm eating these, and she wanted them. Never mind. Yeah, oh, these are really tasty.
I've got another shooter. Oh, I keep getting shooters and spinners.
I think we should do more videos like this. This is great
Alright,
fun.
Coral,
The boys are
because
busy.
I'm the nicest person ever. I'll give you these two.
And I will give you this one.
Thank you.
And I think I'll eat this one.
I don't like them anyway.
Do you? No more Coco's hanging a hand out like that. No more. No more for you.
These videos are very good.
Yeah, I like these videos.
Oh, you got the same one as you got before, Pirate Jake?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool. Wow. So, these are
These smell like Oreos or Oreos, wherever you from.
these are the Kinder Egg surprises.
How do you
Great
do you
fun.
go like that?
Yeah, I
This
know.
one
Yeah.
spins as well.
And this is pretty cool. This is my favourite, I think. Woo! Wow, so some pretty cool little characters in here. There they go, they're going flying across there now. So that's the Kinder Joy eggs. Now they're really, really cool. Taste delicious, by the way. And there's quite a few different ones to collect, and these are called Crazy Friends. And they're pretty awesome, lots of different ones to collect, as you can see. We hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up.
A big
And
tasty thumbs up.
if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the Pirate Patch Hole and tell all your friends about it as well. And
Hit the bell.
hit the bell. Make sure you hit the bell, then you'll get a notification when we do our next video, which will be on tomorrow.
Gosh.
Now,
Gosh.
we've got loads more videos coming up, Scallywags. So what do we say after 3? 1, 2, 3. Moriartys and Scallywags. And we'll see you all soon, Scallywags. Bye.